Hey everybody, Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich here. It's the middle of the week. Let's talk about our rain chances for Friday. We're in a stretch of gorgeous fall weather right now with temperatures really mild during the day. We're in the 70s, upper 60s, so right around that wheelhouse of great October weather, but the mornings are crisp and cool. People love that. But we've got Friday rain chances and a lot of things going on this weekend. So let's get right into the latest timing on this system. So you can see high pressure is dominating our weather currently over the southeast. Just beautiful fall weather. But you see this cold front? That's what's heading our way on Friday. Now, the good news for the weekend, this will not impact Saturday or Sunday. This is primarily going to be about Friday, and it's all about the timing of the rain. Now, there's no washout. Let me get that out of the way right away. People see rain chances. Probably my biggest, pet peeve or thing that really frustrates me as a meteorologist is people always think the chance of rain means a washout. A washout, by definition, is an all-day rain, like nonstop. That's actually a pretty rare event. That only happens maybe a handful of times. So anytime you see those rain chances really high, that's just the chance of seeing rain at some point during the day. It doesn't have anything to do with the duration or intensity of the rain. It's a really important thing about what we call probability of precipitation. So just remember that when you're looking at apps or other sources and you see high rain chances, that just means there's a really good chance you're going to see rain at some point. It doesn't always mean duration or intensity. Now, it can. That's why you come to people like me to kind of explain the setup here. So here's our system. It's not going to be here today or tomorrow. It's all about Friday. As this gets closer, we're probably going to pull up some moisture, just enough to create at least scattered showers and maybe even thunderstorms on Friday. The interesting thing is, will there be one or two waves? And I'll show you how this unfolds. So we're going to dive right into the high-res rapid refresh model, which goes out 48 hours. This is always really great model to use, especially for rain timing, because in the short range, this is what it excels at. So here, we'll go through tonight into early tomorrow. Tomorrow's the 19th, so we'll get into the morning hours. So this is tomorrow morning, 8 a.m., roughly 24 hours from now. You can see clearly a cold front. I mean, you don't even have to draw the cold front on there. You can see it. We go through Thursday afternoon, but a couple things to note. You see this moisture down here, this rain? Watch as I advance this. You'll see this trying to move this way, and also notice the moisture down here. Now, while it might not all the way get into the Western Carolinas, that's a sign that there's at least inflow of moisture coming in. So watch this. See that? See how that moisture is trying to move north and coming in off the Atlantic? So that's a signal that there's probably going to be pretty good moisture in place. So by 6 o'clock tomorrow night, we're still dry. But on the coast, folks on the coast, the beaches, Grand Strand, you might start to see a few scattered showers. We'll go through tomorrow night. We'll get into the early overnight hours and morning hours on Friday. You see that first band kind of falls apart. That's good news. So this is 1 a.m. Friday morning. I'm going to stop this right around 4 or 5 in the morning. It looks like there's a band there that's trying to fall apart, but also notice we've got some moisture on the coast. That's kind of interesting, some kind of little low pressure system there. We'll go around sunrise. So sunrise on Friday, just after 7 a.m., there's a band of showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder moving into the mountains. So in the mountains, heads up, Friday morning, looks like you're going to see some showers. We go into the morning hours. It stops at 8 a.m., so this is our 48-hour loop. You kind of see that we've got scattered showers trying to come in the morning. So this is why I think there could be two waves. This first wave right here is going to be coming in at a time of day where it's not really warm. So is this going to fall apart? Big question mark how much we're going to see there. But if you notice, the front is probably still back in here, to be honest with you, because this is probably the prefrontal trough just looking at it. And we can throw up some of the contours of the sea level pressure that will kind of show us where the front is. All right, so we'll take a look at the guidance here. This is the NAM6, just to give you a little bit better, or NAM3, excuse me, give you a little bit better coverage here. You can see that first batch trying to move into the mountains and then kind of re-intensifying in the afternoon as the main cold front looks to be lagging just a little bit behind. So this is the big question about Friday. Is there just going to be one line that comes in kind of showery, scattered stuff in the morning? I really think the afternoon, though, because the heating of the day and the front not getting here, we're likely going to see another round of showers and storms developing. I would say between 3 and 7 p.m. right now, okay? So just be prepared for that. It looks scattered. Stay tuned to the forecast every day. I'll do updates on this, but I would plan for some scattered light stuff early in the day and then the main line coming in between 3 and 7. The good news is it's not going to rain the whole time. Those are those two windows, and even those windows coming through are going to be pretty scattered. Though I will tell you the afternoon one, Even though it's scattered, this will have the heaviest rain coming in the afternoon because these could be thunderstorms or brief heavy downpours. Of course, I will post updates as we get closer to Friday so you can plan all your Friday activities, fall festivals, football games, all of that. We'll have you covered.